uh so this right here, I don't know what name to give it, but after they make cocoa, oh yeah, my turkeys are here. I'm at Hop's Ranch. After they make cocoa, this what is left. This is the residue. They throw this away, and a friend told me it's very good. It's a very good source of feed for the turkeys. And believe me, I've tried it for a while now, and it works really really well. Uh, I take this when I'm coming back from jogging. Every morning, I go for jogging. Hi guys, and I'm still in my jogging distance suit. You can see, yeah. Anyway, so I take this on my way back from the jogging, and I have a number of them stored here. By the way, these are colored bronze. I'm trying to breed them. There's a male, there's a male, and these three are females. Very very good breeds. Anyway, so I store them here. So there's some. Sometimes it grows maggots. Let me see if I can see maggot. Sometimes it grows maggot. So there's maggot. So yeah. Uh, Believe me, it growing maggot is not a bad thing at all. Maggot is a very good source of protein for them. Oh yeah, here's a maggot. I don't know if you can make it. Yeah, this is a maggot. This is it. There's a lot of them inside, so the flies will come and then they will lay maggot. They will lay their eggs. Their eggs will grow into maggot. And me using this is also a very good source of protein for the turkeys. Aside that, note that this is free. It was given to me for free. So I'll be showing you how I do it in just a minute. Oh guys, sorry, these are colored broilers, not bronze but broilers. I said bronze. They are broilers rather. All right, it's time for me to add this one to the rest of the ones I have here. So here's what I do. Usually I would, oh my one hand is holding the camera. All right, so usually I'll shift this one here, the old one. I'll shift them here so that I would mix it with the new one, and just add this right here. Yeah. All right, done. Cleared. So the ones here are usually older, and these ones are new. This is where I put the feed for now. So I'll put it. Yesterday I put some rice here, so that's why you see this rice thing inside. All right. Anyway, I take the cocoa, the porridge from two places. The first one is during my jogging, and the next one is somewhere. So I go to ask if some are available, and she tells me yes or no. Right now, she said there's some available, so I use this wheelbarrow to go for it. I've gone for some before. That's why you see this inside. So I'm on my way now. I'm going for it. Alright, guys, finally back. So this is it. This one is a lot, so I need to use the wheelbarrow. I get a lot from that place, so I'm going to be adding this one to the ones that you saw. Alright, so I'll use this to bring them from the wheelbarrow. And yeah, I've changed my shoes. Alright, so I'll be pouring it here. That's what I'll be doing. I'll be adding them here. Alright guys, that was the last of them, so it's time to feed them. I have some of the wheat bran here. I have some of it here. This is the rice, this rice, so you're not doing anything to them. I have some of the wheat bran here. I said wheat bran. Okay, I don't know if this is wheat bran, but that's what I'm calling them, since it's made from wheat. Wheat is used to make the cocoa, so maybe it's wheat bran. Right, anyway, so I won't feed them with this alone. I won't feed them with this alone. So here's how I do it. And right, here's how I do it. This is what I add. This is broiler starter. Broiler starter. The mash form of broiler starter. Not grower, starter. This is starter. So I'll add this small quantity. It's about 4 cups. 4 cups of this. 4 cups. So this is 4 cups. If I'm to fetch This is not very full, but I fetched 4 cups. So I'll add this broiler starter to this, to the brand, whatever it is. So I'll add it to it, and then let me fix this on a tripod so things become very clear and I can use my 2 hands. So this is the tripod I use for recording. All right, I'm fixing it on it right now. This is hot fry. Okay, fixed. So, uh, so I have it here. I have everything here. So I mix them thoroughly as much as I can. Mix it completely. All right. After mixed completely, this is how it looks like. You can't really determine which one is the broiler starter and what. And over here, I have some turkeys here. So let me open this up. These are turkeys, and I have one turkey here. This one, the leg, it has a serious problem with the leg. Look, it can't stand. I don't know how to fix it. Can't stand. All right, and down here there are quails. I made a video on my quail. Check it out if you haven't seen it. I'll put the link over there. Very nice documentary on quails. I'm going to be hatching more, so if you need quails, you can let me know. So from here it's now to distribute so that everyone gets some to eat, except for the layers and this turkey right here, which is having a serious problem. I won't be feeding it with this type of feed. For for those laying, I'll be giving them a special feed. I'll give them the broiler starter mixed with eggshells and vitamins. That's what I do, and it helps them to lay a lot of eggs. I don't give them this one. I don't give them the brand, the one that I just did. No, for them I give them broiler starter, only broiler starter with eggshells and vitamins. So I'll be fixing it and then doing the distribution. All right. For those laying eggs, I'll be giving them pure broiler starter with eggshells, like the quails. The quails are always laying. There's an egg. There's a quail egg. So for the quails and for this laying turkey here, this turkey too is laying. He lays here every day. He lays at that part. This part. He lays there every day. So here's what I do. I have eggshell here. How are that eggshells? Yes, I understand. Eggshells, powder form. So these are eggshells that I've grinded. So I'll add this, and I have these vitamins. These vitamins that I use. So I'll fetch some of this too. I'll fetch about a teaspoon. So about half a teaspoon, something here, and here. Let me fetch it. I'm using a hand to hold the camera. It makes things slow. So yeah, something like this, and I'll add it to it, and then I'll mix them thoroughly. So I'll mix this thoroughly. Let me put it on the pan. I'll mix this thoroughly. Yep. And that's it. So here we go. Simply first time I put it here. I don't let it go hungry, so it doesn't even care about the food. It's not like these ones. See how they are rushing. So yeah, you see, there was already food here. It doesn't really need food. It's the most important turkey on the farm. The laying turkey is very important. I treat them well so they lay more. Alright. It's time to feed the quails. All right, so time to feed the quails. For the quails, this is their feeder. This is the remaining feed. Sometimes I have to remove the mesh and then get rid of some of the poo. The mesh helps them not to you see, not to scratch when they are eating. They really like to scratch the food. So as of now, feeding the turkeys is the most difficult part because they won't let me do it as I want. They will rush. Turkeys really rush for the feed. You can see them. Just look at them. Even now they are rushing. Even now they are rushing. So it becomes hectic sometimes when feeding them. Right, it's time to feed them. You will enjoy it. The feed is so that's what goes on every day. My microphone is off, so I might not be sounding as I used to sound. It might not be very clear, but that's it. This is how I feed them every day. I'm having cold. Sorry about that. Okay guys, my microphone is back on, so the sound should be much better. So that's just it for the morning. In the afternoon, I'll be opening them for them to go out and eat forage by themselves and then fill up. This is just a start, so they will get more to eat in the afternoon. And in the evening when they are about to sleep, I would also do the recording and add it to this clip, so stay tuned. Okay guys, the microphone is off again. It's off, so the sound wouldn't be very clear, but anyway, I've decided to end the video here. I've changed my mind, so the objective of the video is achieved. I wanted to show you how I use this wheat brand or whatever it is to reduce my feed cost, and that's it. I've been able to do that, so I'm ending the video here. I don't want the video to go into where it wasn't meant to be, so I'm taking out the afternoon and evening. I'll do that as a separate video and upload it. But I've given them water. So these are the colored broilers, the turkey, and yeah, I've given them the water, and the foreign turkeys are still eating. The these ones are also still here. So that's just it guys for now. So thanks for watching as usual. Peace.